Hey everybody, I am super excited about this warmer I'm about to show you. So now, it's not an official Harry Potter warmer, but it is giving me all of the Harry Potter vibes, and you're gonna see why. So here we go. This one is called Hi Sending Pixie Dust. Hi, wait till you see what I'm about to show. Hello Vision. Okay, so this drops September 1st. Now, I know it's a little early. It feels super early for harvest type of stuff. It's August. It's 90 degrees outside. But this stuff drops September 1st. And if I don't show it to you now, it may sell out before you get a chance to grab one. Okay, so are we ready for the Under My Spell Warmer? Osseo Under My Spell. I'm over here doing spells. Okay, so look how cute that is. Let's first of all just go through and look how cute it is. It comes with a clear bulb, but you can put different color bulbs in there. I have the green one in there right now, but I'm going to show you what it looks like with the red one as well, because I think that would be cool and creepy too. But green is my favorite, okay? So you guys ready? We're going to do the spell. Do you guys know the spell to turn lights on? Lumos. There we go. Look at that. How cute is that? And I know this is backwards because I'm live. So it says Book of Shadows, Basic Spells, and Potion. How cute is that? And it's got the Slytherin's color going on. Okay, so I'm going to turn the light off so we can add a different bulb, because we sell different color bulbs. We sell purple, red, green, clear, obviously, blue, and orange. So, did I leave it on too long? Was it gonna? Okay, because our warmers don't get hot, but the bulb, I mean, it's a light bulb. It gets a little warm. So here we go. So you saw it in green. Let's check it out in red. Super duper cute. Okay, are we ready? Let's do the spell. Lumos. There we go. So I still think it looks good with the red. I mean, obviously I'm Gryffindor. So, but I'm going to have to go with the Slytherin color today. So I'm going to put the green back in. I think it looks cute with the red, but yeah, I like it the best with the green. So anyway, you guys, like I said, this drops September 1st. It may or may not sell out the first day, but I just put the orange one in there. Not thinking. Anyway, let me grab this one back out. So I'm going to put this with my Harry Potter display, which we just came out with a Harry Potter warmer last month. And we did a pre-sale, and that comes out next year in February. So we did a pre-sale so they knew how many to make. But I think this would look so cute next to it. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on again. And like I said, I like the green. I also have blue. Purple would be good too, but purple's not as bright until it's nighttime. Then you can really see the purple. But I think it looks so cute. And look at how, like, all the way around. I think Scentsy just did such a good job. What do you think? Anyway, you guys, I hope you like my warmer. Please let me know what you think and have a great day. Bye.